I think that preaching often is not that good for three reasons. First of all, I think pastors are bored by their own sermons. I see it. If pastors were just to videotape themselves and look at themselves with the sound off for the first minute, they probably couldn't take much more than that, first of all, and ask, what's the nonverbal message I'm sending? I think a lot of pastors can write a good message or think a good theological thought, but in the proclamation, and the word is proclaimed, they're just bored by their own message, or else they think they have to be some staid or steady or something. And I'm not for the pastors in our congregations to try to be something they're not, but to find their own voice and to find the passion in their voice. I think that would be one thing. Second of all, they don't get to the Bible soon enough in a sermon. Most of the sermons I hear start off with a story about the pastor's life that then leads to the Bible. And I preach those sermons too, and I hear really good sermons preached that way. But I don't think they get to the scripture soon enough, which is the word of life. So I think if you just want to make a quick way to make preaching better for most pastors is get to the Bible faster. Our colleague Mary Shore at Luther Seminary says pastors should start their sermon where they think the introduction is finished. So write the introduction, then actually start, throw everything else away, and now start preaching. And I think that's good. I think a third reason is pastors are maybe too concerned with trying to be correct. There's something that happens in the risk-taking that maybe theological education says, don't take risks, play it safe. And so that pastors are so concerned about being theologically correct or biblically correct that a certain edginess is not there.